What's going on, YouTube? Twink knows tech, shoes, and clothes, I guess you could say today. Because today I don't have a tech video. As you can see behind me, this box I had already opened just because something wasn't seeming right. But I got like a mini haul, and I'm actually gonna have to cut. So the second half of this video, or the last part of this video, I'm probably not gonna be wearing this outfit because the last package didn't make it in time, so it'll be here tomorrow. But yeah, like I was saying, it's pretty much gonna be like a little haul video of a few pickups that I had, and just trying something different. I always buy a bunch of like hype stuff and like Hypebeast clothing and accessories and shoes and stuff like that. So today I'm gonna open some of these on camera, you know, and hopefully you guys are interested in this. And like I said, I got another package coming in, which it's all gonna be in the same video, but it didn't make it here in time, so I just figured I'd go ahead and shoot this. And yeah, so let's get right into it. This box is already open, and this is all the packages. I think I gotta get all these. I've been waiting on this one for the longest, I think, but the rest of these just purchased about last week, and they all just got here this week. So that's pretty cool. I'm just waiting on one package. It is in town, but it hasn't arrived yet, and I didn't want to, like, you know, keep putting this video off because once Friday comes, well, Thursday and Friday comes, Thursday I'm watching football, so that kind of gets a little confusing. But anyways, if you can't already tell, this is a Supreme saw, and it's a collab with Stanley, and there you have it. She hates this. It's such a I don't know, I guess niche item that she just doesn't see why the hell I even bought it in the first place. It comes with a few box logo stickers, but that's kind of irrelevant. All right, next up, from StockX. Box is upside down. Nothing else in the box, just bubble wrap, I guess. As you can see, black and red Jordan 1 box. So this isn't a regular Jordan 1 box. I mean, I've only seen this associated with women's shoes. These are legit though. You can see the stamp in the inside. And it's also got a sticker in there, a StockX sticker. And here we are. Seafoam green Jordan 1s. This is kind of like, I don't know, I really like this colorway. I actually bought these for my girlfriend, and like I really liked how they look. And I like Jordan 1s. Jordan 1 is my favorite model of Jordans. So I like the color. These weren't really too much in value and price, so it's kind of the reason I bought them. How much did I pay for these? They were $2.20 on StockX plus $18 taxes, $7, or $18.13 taxes, $7.70 processing fee, $13.95 shipping. But I had a $20 off coupon because I bought some dumps from there, and they messed up on, like, I don't know what kind of authentication they did, because I know when I sell on StockX, they tell me to make sure that the box isn't damaged or nothing like that, and then the shoes are unworn, so on and so forth. However, the box that they gave me, the thing was crushed, it was damaged, it had a big rip like right here. And I don't know how I passed I don't know how I passed authentication. So what I end up doing is I contact them, and I'm like, I'm curious just like anybody else would be, especially if you sell on there and you know that if it was your item that you sent like that, it wouldn't have went through authentication. I know it didn't happen in shipping because the shipping box was perfectly fine. So they either got them like that and just let them pass, or yeah, that's pretty much the only thing that could have happened. It could have happened on the way to them, and they just passed it through authentication just to hurry up and get the transaction done. Anyways, first pickup, Jordan 1, well, second pickup technically. I guess I'll sit these back here on the couch. Second pickup, Jordan 1s, first pickup, saw. All right, moving on. I already opened this one because this is kind of a high dollar item. And I had to make sure these was in there, so. Anyways, moving on. I guess I'll just go ahead. This next package is from eBay. I bought these last week. They were cheaper than they were on StockX and GOAT by a lot. And especially because I was able to contact the seller, and me and him worked out a deal that we were both okay with. He was asking a lot more than what I paid for these, probably like almost $100 more, or maybe it's less than that. I have to double check. But anyways, so there's nothing else in here but a few eBay cards or whatever, just saying that free seller fees and stuff on shoes like that. That's the reason why I feel like you can negotiate a little bit better on eBay, is because there's no seller fees versus if somebody's trying to sell something for StockX, you know, they got to pay fees and stuff, and GOAT. So with eBay, whatever you offer that person, that's what they're getting. So I know that firsthand because I sell shoes and stuff and everything on eBay. But firsthand, they're getting well, it's just with shoes. But with shoes, they're not taking any fees out. So if you offer them, let's say $850 or something like that, they're getting that exact amount. Maybe more because I pay for shipping as well. And sometimes the shipping is like cheaper. So anyways, moving on. If you know shoes, you know that this is, well, you know these holes are an off-white shoe. So yeah, these right here, I already have a pair of these technically in some form or fashion. This is an off-white Jordan 5, and I already have a pair of off-white Jordan 5s. You guys probably don't know that because I never did a video on them, but these right here completes the set of off-white Jordan 5s for me. And this right here is the black colorway. Well, it's mainly like a gray off-white 5. But yeah, as you can see, it has the eBay tag on it because it was authenticated. Oh, there you go. It was authenticated by eBay. And I guess the person who sent them to eBay also got them from StockX. So they're double authenticated. So these things are official. I did buy these brand new. I was trying to find like a good worn pair to try to save me a few dollars. And it does have the tag. Let me go ahead and sit this on one down. It does have the tag. I guess maybe it fell off or they took it off during authentication or something like that. But the tag is right here. But yeah, I was trying to get these for a good price, but it was one guy on eBay. I offered him a reasonable price. He had it for like $730, and that was almost creeping up on like brand new prices. And I offered him like, I want to say like $650 just to see what he'll say. And he's like, no. He counter offered him, put like $700. I was like, nah, I'm not doing $700. They're used. I see a few signs of wear, and he didn't want to do that. So the last sale on StockX at the time was like $760. So I'm like, $700, $760. I might as well just buy it brand new. So me and him were going back and forth, and he was just being a dick about it. So I was just like, look, man. He offered like I kept telling him, I was like, I'll do $680, and he wanted like $20 for shipping. So he would have been pocketing like $680, whereas on StockX he would have only been, well, he wouldn't have been able to sell them on StockX because they were used. So he would have got $680, whereas if StockX with the brand new pair, it would have been like $700 after fees or whatever for the seller. So I was telling him, I'm like, it's this price, and he started being funny, like, oh, since you're so good at, you know what I'm saying, numbers and this, that, and the third, I'll give you, he bring the price down like $695. I deleted his offer. I'm like, for all that, I'll just buy him brand new. So he must have thought I was joking, because I ended up paying around, I think after fees, well, not fees, but taxes and shipping and, taxes and shipping, this shoe was $898. So it's not like I had a problem with what they cost, because on StockX they were close to $1,000 after fees. No, they were over $1,000 after fees and taxes. And I wanted the shoe, so I was gonna buy it regardless. But I just tried to get it used a couple times. The pair he had looked somewhat decent. They weren't bad, but they weren't like pristine. If I'm gonna pay almost brand new prices, I might as well buy it brand new. And he was being a dick about it. So to spite him, I paid for a brand new pair. And the dude that sold me these, he shipped them super fast. I probably bought these a week to the day. So I got them, he shipped them, they got authenticated, and they got to me in 7 days. But yeah, I love this shoe. I have the white, well, it's more so, it's called Sail. It's like a yellowish looking color. And yeah, this is pickup number 3. And this one is from eBay and StockX technically. So far I have a pair of shoes from StockX. I have a pair from eBay. And I also, like I said, at the end of this video, because they're not here yet at the time of recording, I am going to have a quick unboxing of the other pair of shoes, which I did buy from GOAT. So I have bought from every pretty much authenticated shoe company that you can. But anyways, pickup number 3, which is my favorite and technically the most expensive from the day, is Off-White 5 Muslin. I think that's what they call it. But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna try to breeze through this. This is this kind of goes hand in hand with pretty much everything, because these right here are just some extra shoelaces. I got these from Lace Lab. I don't know if you heard of it. I never heard of it. I've only bought extra shoelaces probably like one at a time, and I didn't like them. I actually bought those from Rope Lace Supply, but they felt like kind of thin and not too high quality, so I didn't really like the pair that I had. Now that's not to say that it's like that with all their shoelaces, because I've seen some that are good quality. Just the pair that I had, I wasn't really a fan of. So this right here, oh okay, wow, I wasn't expecting this. Like these come in like nice little packages, kind of just like lace, Rope Lace Supply. So yeah, got some pink laces. These are actually for Dash. I got these for my girlfriend, because like I said, I got her the Seafoams, and I seen them with pink laces, and I thought they looked really good, so I bought her a pair. And I also bought me a pair, which mine are a little different. They got the gold aglets on it. So yeah, I'm gonna really let her choose whatever one she wants. I also got a sale color, which, sorry. I figured this one would look good on like a pair of Jordan 1s, even though I don't have a pair at the moment that I would want to put these in. But I had to get 4 pairs of laces. I offered to give a pair to my friend Drew, because we work together, and I was just like, well, I was gonna buy the 3 laces, and they were like $5 each or something like that, but it was like $5 shipping, so it came up to like $21, or it was spend over $20 and you can get free shipping. So I was like, I'm be wasting my money on shipping when I could just give somebody some laces. So I just got the other pair just because he didn't find anything that he liked. So yeah, I tried to give him something, you know, but he doesn't have as many shoes as I do, so he was just like, I don't really see nothing that I would want to swap my laces out for. And last but not least, for this version, well, this portion of the video, this is another pickup, which, I mean, this also came from Goat as well. And this it's clearly not no shoes, but I'm actually interested in this. I actually have something from this collection. It is a piece of clothing, but I'm kind of interested on what it looks like because I haven't seen it in person. And I believe this shirt released in July, I want to say, either June or July. It might have been June, like late June, because I actually bought something from this collection. And I actually got to take it out of the pack. But this is, oh my God, I don't know who was trying to sell it for this price. But let me see if you guys can see that. It's kind of, this light is kind of bright. But yeah, it's a Cactus Jack shirt. And it came with, it came out, it was with the Fragment collection. Fragment. And I already have a piece from this collection. It's actually, no, I have it at home. But it was the, what was the shirt called? Oh, the Cause. It was the Cause Fragment and Travis Scott collab. This isn't Cause attached to it, but this is just Travis Scott and Fragment. And I actually like this. I mean, I bought it. I had a coupon on Goat. Oh, that actually looks really good. And it's got these pink hits on it, which I didn't know originally. But now that I got them pink laces, I might have to reconsider what I plan on putting them in. But I don't know. I actually really like this. I actually might wear it with, let me see. Gotta do some cut editing. But anyways, yeah, this shirt looks really good. I actually might try to, try to wear it with this pair of shoes. Maybe even this weekend, because I'm going to a sneaker convention here in Jacksonville Saturday. So I might be breaking out some heat. Maybe these, maybe the white ones, or some other something else. I got a lot of heat shoes in my collection. But okay. Last pickup for the Hypebeast haul finally came in, as you can see. Different shirt, but I'm not gonna waste too much time. I'm very interested in this one because this is the only item I've bought used from Goat before. So let me go ahead and get my keys out so I can open this. And let's see what they look like. I really don't know, so. Alright, like I said, this is a Hypebeast haul. So to follow suit with that, don't know if guys can pick up that color on that. This is a Jordan box, but it's a special color because of the color of the shoe. And there we have it. Travis Scott's. This is a Jordan 6 box. Size 9.5, my size. Cactus Jack right there. And I'm just as interested as y'all is right now because I've never seen, well, I've seen the pictures of what they supposed to look like, but I'm not sure if that's what they're gonna look like because I bought these used. So let's take a look. And as you can see, you got the little verification from GOAT, another sticker, more stickers, and more verification. Why did, maybe this guy got them from GOAT as well. So let's see. Let's look at the condition. Wow. These aren't even really used. I mean, it's a little dirt right here. Maybe that pop off. Yep. So yeah, these things are fairly new. Nothing. I need to actually look at both of these, but we'll look at them together. Now the seller did say, I'm looking at the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. The tag is still intact and everything. This might not even been worn. It looks like it's only been tried on. I don't see any creases or anything. As far as I'm concerned, this shoe might only been tried on because it's a little dirt on the sole. I don't see any creases. It looks really good. But yeah, the only downside is the seller did say it didn't have the extra laces, which I don't really care too much about. I thought it said it was only missing one color, but I guess it's missing both of them. And they are worn. They look like they probably only worn for a short period of time, but I don't see anything wrong with them. I'm gonna give more in-depth review on the next video, but as far as the pickup, this is the last of the two, which is why I bought those gold shoelaces, because I wanted to put the yellow shoelaces in here. But yeah, anyways, thanks for tuning in to the Hypebeast haul, Twink Nose Tech, shoes and clothes, and yeah, I'm out. So let me know if y'all want to see any more videos like this, and I'll make sure I bring it to y'all. I'm always buying stuff like this, so